Normally, I won't think of doing what style this song, but when I heard the song, I will get a picture. Just like what to do. I will go to the extent how much I think, that's all. I will go whatever it's there coming, I will do that.
It's amazing because he doesn't consult any sheet of paper or go through a short breakdown, anything. I mean, the rest of the crew is frantically kind of running around trying to figure out what's happening when, and pretty much just trying to see that he gets what he wants to do.
But yeah, it's totally different. Choreographer comes, only choreographs, that's it. Because other things, everything assistant directors will look after. I am very happy. Also my Vishnu works hard more than me actually. I used to sit and Vishnu very easily I will tell them. He run there, here, there. Same thing dancers also. So once I will dance, but other times 15 times or how many times rehearsals for take, dancers have to do. They were there in the set, they worked hard. I mean, the song is it. Dancers is also one more big thing is that.
But he's an amazing guy and he's really, a lot of fun to work with. He's got a great sense of humor, which reflects in his choreography. But there is a certain kind of style that Prabhudeva brings to choreography that only he can.
He's one of the funniest men I've met. He's got this really casual, funny feel about him.
Does make some of the most incredible expressions that I've seen, which Hrithik completely got into and was having a trip with trying to do the same things that Prabhudeva did.
I think the chemistry between both of them will show in the song. You'll know exactly. Everybody will see the song and know behind the camera is Prabhudeva. So he's actually brought it, whatever Prabhudeva had in mind, and which he can dance so beautifully. And I think Hrithik has brought it to life on screen. I think it's great.
Hrithik told he wants at least 10 days rehearsal, but we gave at least, I think according to me, we gave at least just 8 hours rehearsal, I think. I mean, one day. You don't need rehearsal, you can just go for takes, I think. He was tense, but he's doing very good job. He's interested and hardworking, no? It's easy for me, for him also.
1, 2. And I think only Hrithik could do it the way it has been done. मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ जैसा हूँ मैं 1, 2 1 क्यों हूँ मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ जैसा हूँ ऐसा क्यों Camera is not running, cut 1, 2
He's danced incredibly well and performed incredibly well. It's not easy doing what Prabhu Deva choreographs, because there's you have to have insane control over each and every joint and muscle independently in your body. He's done really well. He's done really well. I mean, he's gotten into the song. He's gotten into the whole feel of what Prabhu Deva was trying to bring through. He's gotten into that, and he's just performed really well. He's danced incredibly well, and at the same time, of course, retained what he felt was necessary to retain as Karan in the thing. So in terms of his body language relatively, and some of bringing expression and bringing the way he's singing the line out, and at the same time really blended it well with what Prabhu Deva was trying to bring out. So he's done a very incredible job. He's mixed everything up, blended it all really well.
And he's done an incredible job, with the choreography.
Unbelievable.
I've always
Really
been convinced that Prabhu Deva's got no bones in his body. And now after watching Hrithik too, I'm also convinced that
I think he's
got no
broken his
bones.
bones. I think Prabhu Deva has broken Hrithik's bones, and he also doesn't have bones anymore.
So I had to really work like crazy to get those steps right, and I still don't think I got them right, but I have got some good feedback, so I think Prabhu Deva will be satisfied. My fear was that I should not let him down, and I hope I have not.
And it's been a lot of fun. I mean, some really, really good and fun and weird stuff has happened, and I'm really happy that it did happen.
Whenever any song, not this song, any song we do, we want to try new. But what to do? Little bit. What we are doing, we will think new. But people has to say whether it is new or not.
क्यों हूँ करना है क्या मुझको ये मैंने कब है जाना लगता है गाऊंगा जिंदगी भर बस ये गाना होगा जाने मेरा अब क्या कोई तो बताए मुझे गड़बड़ है ये सब क्या कोई समझाए मुझे
Yeah, okay, ready, take. Ready, order, Vishnu, order. 1, 2.
जानू क्या है जो करना है लगता है अब तो सीधा कर मुझे लगेगा उल्टा देखो ना मैं हूँ जैसे बिल्कुल उल्टा पुल्टा बदलूंगा मैं अभी क्या मानू तो क्या मानू मैं सुधरूंगा मैं कभी क्या ये भी तो ना जानू मैं जाने अब मेरा होना क्या है लगता है तुमको क्या जाने अब मेरा होना क्या है क्या मैं हूँ जैसा बस वैसा रहूंगा